This is for our Heartbreaker soap, our masculine Valentine's Day soap. And for this soap, we are using Nature's Garden The Perfect Man fragrance oil. And we're using activated charcoal to get a slate gray, possibly black soap. And I just want to get all of that charcoaly goodness in there. So for our Heartbreaker soap, we are using this cane embed that I created using 2 teardrop extrusions. Now I'm calling it Heartbreaker because there's a very big possibility that this heart is going to split in 2 in our soap. So that's what we're going to name it, just because that way I don't have to feel bad if it does end up breaking in here. But I have high hopes for this. I don't think it will break. So we're just going to stick that in there. Then I'm going to pour some soap on top into that little crack there. And then we will pound it again on the ground. And then we will give it a little top setup here. I hope these look like hearts when the soap is dried. Sometimes if soap touches the edges too much, it can obscure the shape of what you're putting in. But hopefully everyone will look at that and say, oh, look at the cute little hearts. And one more tiny heart to go. There we go. There we have Heartbreaker. We'll come back tomorrow to slice into it and see if it broke our hearts or if we've got a winner. Here's our beautiful Heartbreaker soap. We're going to put it down. And here is our finished bar, our XOXO Gold. That's right, I changed the name. We're not calling it Heartbreaker because my heart did not break. It's solid all the way through the bars. It's lovely, so we're calling this our XOXO Gold because of that lovely gold shimmer on top. See that cute little heart? I made those by slicing the remnants after trimming the cane to fit our soap mold. And then with the leftover batter, I made our plain, no frills XOXO black soap. Both of these can be found on my website, komodoartsoaps.com. They smell amazing. The cologne is like a rich man's fine cologne. And if you buy them, they come wrapped in an organza bag with their label, with all the ingredients listed on the back, ready for gift giving or personal use. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Come back for more, and we'll see you later.